Hey everyone, Simon here. I hope you're doing okay. We've had some good news here in the UK actually. A few days ago, the Prime Minister just announced that we can go back out again, and we are allowed to be in the park, sunbathing, meeting friends, as long as we keep on respecting the social distancing rules. That still applies, but it's promising, and I feel so much more comfortable, bringing a camera out and documenting what's happening, sticking around a little longer. I'm not gonna go crazy today. I'm at work right now. It's 5:45, so about to go back home. It's a 15 to 20 minute walk, and I'll document it as much or as well as I can. And the plan is to get 5 shots, black and white. I like the aspect ratio I've been using for the past 2 weeks, so 1:2.5, which is very wide, expand style. And I'm gonna do that. So if you want to come with me, stick around. Without further ado, let's go. Let's hit the streets.
What's the latest the park closes? No. That's always the very latest. Yeah. Really? Yeah. Even when in the bright sun.
How beautiful is that? Been lucky with the weather as well. Now, hope you enjoyed some of the shots. It was definitely a fun one, and I felt comfortable being out for the first time in like 7 weeks, so that was amazing. And I can't wait to go on bigger adventures, explore London and the world again. I mean, as soon as we can book flights, man, that'd be an amazing feeling as well. Thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you next Sunday. Take care, guys. Bye bye.